It's Bob Anderson, and I want to do a quick video of the one trade I took. Excuse me. Today, which is January 6th. I have been quiet this week because I have been battling with the flu. And boy, it really, I went and took a fresh shower, drained my nasals so I can even attempt to spend the next couple minutes doing this video. Anyways, I did take one trade in oil today. Actually, two trades set up. I didn't take the first one. And then I had a couple people message me that they took a trade in the ES, and I'll show that trade. I didn't take it, but I'll show it, and it worked very well. Anyways, New Year's Day, a friend of mine posted something out on Instagram. He is not a trader, but when I read it, I thought, man, I need to share that with all of you because it pertains to us, all of us, sitting here taking these evals and hopefully PA funded accounts, you know, when you get through your evals and stuff like that. And that's this 2023. It's all about pushing my mind, body, healthy, and spirit to new limits, better disciplines, and new perspectives. In my case, it's disciplines and perspectives. I got to accept success in my trades. That would be my perspective. And discipline is to make sure I only focus on good trades. And then the end of his quote, he said, "It's me versus me." And that's the most important part, because if you have a winning strategy and you have discipline, then the only thing keeping you from success is yourself. And so, and I have said in these videos more than once that my strategy is not the problem. It's the person doing this video. So anyways, I watched an interview recently. I literally watched it a day or two ago. I don't know, the days go by. I've been so medicated, I don't remember everything. But it was with Daryl Martin, the founder of Apex Trader. And he was talking about how, you know, if he was starting out trading today, you know, and he was taking an eval, then he would focus on just taking trades, taking profits, and getting out and being happy with making $200, making, you know, whatever, you know, because you got 30 days to pass. And then, like he said, then when you get your PA account, and all this stuff I'm saying is stuff I've said before too, but he regurgitated it. And once you pass and you have your PA funded account, then you do the same thing. It's like if you got a $50,000 account, you slowly work it towards say the $3,000 trailing drawdown. And if you do the lifetime payment, you don't have to worry about next month having another $85 bill or anything like that. You've literally got as many days as you want to go from $50,000 to $53,000. You know, so anyways, I do like that element of the of the new plan. But anyways, I bring that up because at the end of the day, it's you versus yourself, and you need to have the discipline to get there. All right, so let me. I mean, I'm just repeating the obvious, I know. But anyways, let me show you my oil trade, and I'll show you the one I missed too. I missed an oil trade in the morning, and then I took another one a little bit later. I did take one later. But anyways, here we go. So anyways, here is the CL. And I'm going to try to get this where I can get the pricing in here. So anyways, yeah. All right, here we go. So there we go. All right, so what we've got here is, here's your 5-minute red line. Now, remember I talked about oil has a tendency to cross its red line on the 5-minute more often than say on the ES, and it has a tendency to be smooth once it's done that. I'm going to show you where it does it on the 1 minute today and sets up a great trade on the ES after this. But anyway, so here you go. This is 9:30. Again, remember I told you I don't like to trade oil till after 9:45 because I like to have the market open done, not just the oil open, which is at 9 Eastern Standard Time. So anyways, down it goes, and this is 9:45. So here's my start time. If I had a little line in here, I'm willing to start trading from here to the right, okay? It comes down, it crosses that 5-minute red line. The gold line, 1 minute gold line is just running with it. Down it goes, up it goes, and bam. Now, I didn't take that trade because I'm just not paying attention. Probably too much Comtrex. Anyways, then it kind of came down, reset, and did it again. Then you had 10 o'clock news. So again, I kind of get hesitant here. You got news at 10 today. It ran up, crossed the 5-minute red line again. This is the overnight open, by the way. Look at how the overnight open. Woo! The rejection of the overnight open was a beautiful trade if you had tried that one. But anyways, let's not talk about that for right now. Anyways, by the way, that was actually a gorgeous trade. Holy cow, how much did that one go for? Oh my God, that one went for $1. Holy shit, $1,000 a contract from here to here. Wow, I just noticed that. Anyways, so cross over the red line, pull back, your first crossover. So I'm going to give it a little more slack. I'm going to give it a little more leeway because we didn't have a consistent pullback, but we did from here and here and here and here. We had like 4 candles in a row. And then bam, I had slippage on my entry. I took 2 contracts. I got 67 and 66. So I had slippage on my entry. I was the one guy with 1 contract too many, apparently. Blew up, went to 1 tick from my target. Rolled over, I knocked myself out. I mean, I had 3 accounts tied to this, so it was $270 an account. And all I wanted to do was get my trading day over so I can go go back to bed. So, I mean, $270 times 3 accounts, $810. I'm fine with that, as I can imagine most everybody would be. As a matter of fact, for the week, I had 2036, 1936, and 1936. I had $5,908 for the week in my trading on my 3 accounts. $5,908. I love that trade copier, man. That thing is the bomb. It really is. Anyway, so that was oil, and I was done. You didn't get a pivot high here. This rotated down. You know, you could have, here's your 5-minute gold line first touch. That was a nice rejection there if you were looking for it. But anyways, we'll talk about that later. Let's talk about the ES now. All right. ES had some commonality with oil. You want to know what one of those commonalities was? A rejection of the overnight open. Look at that rejection from the overnight open. 33 to 93 just here in an hour. That's 60 points. Gotta love that overnight open. Anyways, 10 o'clock news. I'm not looking for trades till the news is over. This is still within news. This is kind of, even though this was a setup, a crossover, I'm still too close to the news. It's 5 minutes after. I'm waiting and I'm waiting. Then it rolled up. Came down. It's so far away, blah, 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 blah. I'm not doing anything. And then you got like, this is attempt. This would, if you're going to count attempts, this would be attempt 1. This would be attempt 2, which actually did probably work. And this would have been attempt 3. Remember, I always told you, I don't go with number 3. I look for a reset. So let me show you what a reset is in the ES. A reset minimum is a cross below the 1 minute red line. Okay? And then a pullback over the 1 minute red line. So that's minimum what a reset is. You want price to go below your red line on your 1 minute and then slam above it, run up, and then bam, there's your entry. Now, I've had multiple people message me. They took this one for 5 points. I think their entry would have been about 80 and a quarter, and 85 and a quarter is right there. So it would have been 1, 2, 3 to 4 minutes. My oil trade was 3 minutes. Anyways, there was some beautiful overnight open trades today. Now that I'm looking at this, wow. Anyways, that's my video for today. I have gotten nowhere on doing my my trade strategy videos because I literally didn't even know what day it was yesterday when I was laying in bed. Seriously, I didn't even know what day it was. But anyways, when I get a little better, I'll start working on those. And remember, folks, it's you versus yourself in discipline. All the keys are here for you to be successful using somebody like Apex, UProfit, whoever you want to use, because you're not throwing $5,000 into a funded account and then losing it and getting that kick in the teeth like I did in my early years. Everybody have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Oh, by the way, just side note, there are trolls upon trolls upon trolls using my video, my picture, and sending messages out saying, call me or WhatsApp. I don't even know what a WhatsApp is, okay? So if you get any of these solicitations, it's not me, okay? It's not me. Those of you that use YouTube enough, you know it, because anybody that does a YouTube channel, this kind of crap happens. You know, I wish YouTube would do a better job on controlling the bots, but whatever. I'll talk to you later. Bye.